these are the plants that I picked up in Home Depot yesterday. I have a little pot here with succulents, and it already came with this variety and it's already built. I paid $13.98 for it, but these plants last forever. And I had the big aloe tree, was the only thing that I brought from Miami, but when I brought it, it had a little bit of sparse area here, so I picked up these succulents, and I picked up these two plants yesterday just to bring some color into the area. Planning on putting some mulch around there, but I haven't found the mulch that I really like, which is the big chunky ones. They didn't have any. So this, you guys, was my Mother's Day present from my oldest daughter, and I absolutely loved it. She's so sweet. She's still in California, but she told me, Mom, whatever you want, I'll get it for you. And so I really didn't need anything, but when I saw this, I was like, oh, this is so beautiful. And it came already assembled just like this for $19.99, you guys, and it has beautiful colors and different succulents as well. I am a succulent fanatic because they are so easy to take care of. You can just throw them anywhere and forget about them. You can go on vacation and not have to worry about watering, because they will last weeks on end without any watering. And last but not least, I picked this up yesterday from Home Depot. We had bought another flower arrangement for Mother's Day, but it kind of started to die off. And so Home Depot has a 1-year guarantee. You just have to save the receipt and also the original pot that it comes in. So I went back and they didn't have any more of that one, but I found this beauty. And here we get a lot of afternoon sun in this section, and this plant actually loves the sun. I kind of left this on here for you guys. So this is what I paid, $8.98, but it's full sun, and it's also a perennial. Where does it say it? It says it somewhere. Oh, it's an annual. Huh. Well, anyway, it's an annual, but that's okay. When it dies off, I'll still have this pot and I can replant something else there. But these colors are just amazing. I'm gonna try to film it when the sun is out so you can capture just the beautiful colors, but I think it pretty much speaks for itself. Look how gorgeous those blooms are, and it's full of blooms. Sorry for the background noise. My neighbors are cutting their yard, or the company's cutting their yard now, so you might hear the machines going off. But typically this is the sound that we hear, which is the fountain, and it is absolutely relaxing, you guys. I sit out here, I read my Bible, have my coffee. Even in the afternoons, I come out a couple times a day. So we're really enjoying this little outdoor section here, you guys. And we live on a preserve, so we're surrounded by forest, which is absolutely amazing. It is gorgeous, you guys. It is so relaxing, and such a difference from Miami that, you know, we don't have too much greenery over there. They do an effort, they make an effort, but at the end of the day, it's nothing like this. This is very lush and green. We love it. And right here I have my barbecue, you guys. Sorry for the mess up there, but we're gonna be moving this to the side just to give us more room, because it's a very small patio section. I absolutely love it, just because you cannot keep junk out here. You can only keep what you really want, and I love that. I really love that, because let me tell you, backyards tend to get full of junk and, you know, messy things. So here It's a small space. It's perfect for what we need. We don't need any more. I've had that lantern for quite a while. I got that from Pier 1 Imports, and I've actually spray painted it before. I'm gonna add a citronella candle in there when I have a chance. And right now I just have a plain yard because that's how mostly people keep it around here, since we're on a preserve. And right here I brought my fire pit, which I am dying to use, you guys. I'm gonna probably buy some chairs to go around it, and so we can make some s'mores now for Memorial Day weekend. I'll probably bring my nieces and nephew over here. My mom is coming to visit, and my cousin, so it's gonna be a nice Memorial weekend, and we're looking forward to it, you guys. I have not forgotten about you, and I am definitely going to be filming my house tour hopefully this week, and so I can show you my new place, you guys. I'm so excited. It is a brand new house just built. We're the first ones to live in it, and that's always been something that I've had in my bucket list, and so I'm super excited, and I love the way that it came out. It definitely matches our style, and that's gonna be coming up soon. So don't think that I forgot about you. I definitely have not forgot about you guys. All right, so with that, I just wanted to give you a quick preview of my backyard, and I will be coming back with a home tour very shortly. Love you guys. Take care. Bye.